So in this video, I'm going to share with you how to set up MetaTrader 5 on your Android phone and how to place the trades. So first of all, you're going to go to the Play Store, you're going to search MetaTrader 5, and then you're going to click on open once that's done. If you haven't done so already and you haven't linked this to an account, which most of you won't have done, in the top left-hand corner, you're going to click on the three lines, you're going to click on Manage Accounts, and then once you come here, you're going to see in the top right-hand corner the little plus sign. Click on that, and it'll say Find a Broker. Once you've done this, you want to type that in Vantage, International Group, for example. Click on here, and it'll give you the option to open a real account. Once you've done this, make sure you click on Open Real Account, and then it'll say log into the existing account. It'll give you the login and the password, and you just need to make sure that the demo is not set on there, and you put it as Vantage International Live 2 or Live 5 or Live 7, whichever they recommend. Put in your password, put in your login, and then you'll be good to go. After that, we click on quotes. Then you're going to come to the top right-hand corner. You're going to delete all of these off because we don't trade any other currency pair other than gold. So we delete them off, press the bin in the top right-hand corner, press back. And then if gold isn't there, you can't remove Euro USD for whatever reason, we're going to click on the little plus sign and we're going to search for XAU USD because that's gold. Okay, so we click on the little plus sign there, we go back, and now we have XAU USD ready to roll. What we're going to do is we're going to click on that, and we're going to, let's say a trade's just come through this exact moment and we're looking to sell gold. We would simply press New Order. And here we have 0.01 set on an instant execution. So what we'll do is we'll just do the scenario now. We'll press sell. Okay. So we're now in a sell on XAU USD. You can see how quickly that was. Let's say it's just come through right now. Click it, click on new order. Oops, it is. Click it, click on new order. Let's say you wanted to up the lot size a little bit. Boom, click on sell. Okay. Now we want to do it again, but you want to change the order size again. We can click into the top bit. Click it on 1.0, then click on sell. So now you can see that we have three different positions open. 0.01 is 10 pence per move, 0.10 is £1 per move, and 1.00 is 10 per move. So in this scenario here, we haven't put any stop losses on. We've not put any take profits on. We would simply just click on this, hold it down, and we will click on modify position. Underneath where it says SL and TP, we just click into here. Okay. We would type in 3356 3344, for example, just as an example. Click on modify. That's done. We can now see under this trade, we've got the stop loss and the take profit in place. We can now do the same again with this one. Hold it down. Click on modify. We put in here 3356 3344. Modify. Done. Hold it down again, click on modify, 3356, 3344, okay, modify. So now we have three trades open, all with the same stop loss, all with the same tape profits, but we can see here that the different denominations. Each one of these will depend on what trade account you start with, how much your balance is. Don't come in and try and be Billy Big Balls and over leverage. But let's say, for example, you wanted to close all of these trades in profit and you were like, right, I'm happy with the profits. I'm happy with losing a little bit of money. We might have even said to you, close with partial losses. It's okay to take losses in trading. If that's the case and we were like, right, let's close these off, you would simply, where the three lines are, you would click on that. It'll ask you to accept the terms. You click on OK. And then it gives you the option to close all positions or close losing positions. So in this scenario, we might have said to you, close all trades. We would simply just click on close all positions. You can see here now we've just lost them trades. We're minus 76 for the day. No problem. But then, you know, we might say to you, okay, let's place another sell position. Okay, we go in there, we click on sell, done. Okay, now we can hold it down. We can modify the position, put the stop loss in 3356, for example, 3346 as an example. And now we're back in the trade. So that just shows you how quick and easy it is to navigate around the app to be able to take the trades. And again, here we're up, let's say, for example, £15 now. We can hold that down and we can click on close position. But at the top here, it shows 1.00. Let's say we want to just close half of that. We could put 0.5, 0.5. Where's the point on here? There we go, 0.5. So we could now close this, half of the trade. You can see here, close with a loss of minus $3.33. So if I click on that now, what will happen is it'll close the trade out. Oh, you can see there, I ended up with £4.43 profit, and I've still got a trade running. So if we tell you to close partials or take some off the profit, take some trades, that's exactly what I mean. Now we can hold that down because we're happy with the profit, close it off, accept, done. We made £12 in total off of that trade. So this is how to use MetaTrader 5 on your Android and take the trades that we send out into the community.